As you see, this is the room. User is holding the phone while our application GUIDEX uses the phone camera to guide him walking safely. It warns him from any obstacles near him. In this case, the camera detects the chair, doormat, as well as the printer. It will warn the user from the chair because it's the nearest obstacle to him. Changing modes in GUIDEX system is pretty easy. Just hold tab in anywhere in the screen, so the system can hear the user. In this case, the user will switch from safety guide to text reader.
This is the text reader mode. As you can see, the user wants to scan the book, but he's holding the book in the wrong position. The system will notify the user to reposition the camera in the right direction by speaking to him using voice sound. In this case, the system notified the user to move away the camera from the book, so the camera can scan the whole borders of the book. As you can see, in this case, the user repositioned the camera, but the book still not in the right position. So the system notified the user to move left, so the whole borders of the book can be detected. This is the right position to scan the book, so the system will automatically scan the book, and after scanning, the system will read the book loud to the user. After finish reading the book, the user felt a little bit hungry, so he go to the grocery store. So he want to switch from this mode to the location mode, and it's pretty easy. He just hold tab anywhere in the screen, so he can command the system to switch to the location mode.
Okay, now the location guide. As the user is trying to go to a grocery store, what he needs to do is to tell with his voice that he's going to grocery store, and the Google Map is integrated into the application. So near grocery stores will be search and speak out to the user so that the user can choose the one he wants to go. On the left, we can see that the camera is detecting the objects or obstacles that are currently in front of the user, and he can directly switch to full screen mode by clicking on this button or by double clicking on the screen. As usual, everything is being voice integrated. As we can see, the objects or the obstacles are being detected, and they are marked based on their distance. The ones that are marked green are the ones that are very far from the user, while the ones that are marked red are the ones that are very near to the user, and the user is being alerted based on that. Okay, now the user has already arrived at the grocery store and he is ready to change to object finder mode.
This is the object finder mode. In this mode, the user will ask the system to find some objects for him. The system will record a list of orders that the user gave him. Then the system will find those list of orders while he is moving around the store. In this case, the user asks about a bottle of water and toast. While the user is walking around the store, the system will detect the bottle of water, then the system will modify him directly. The user will keep going until the system detects the toast and modify him. Now the user will return back home by switching back to the location mode.
This is the Audible Store mode. GUIDEX provides educational, entertaining, awareness, and more audible contents to the community. As you see here, users can search for any content using the text or even by voice, as well as they can navigate through the categories where each category consists of different kinds of audible contents. The system will notify the users by mentioning the category name and the content title that is previewed. These contents has a horizontal scroll, so the user can switch between the contents. These contents are provided by institutions, organizations, healthcares, and even individuals like the users.
Whenever the user informs the system that he needs help from a stranger, the system will automatically direct him to video meeting with volunteers whose accounts are stated as volunteers.
GUIDEX also provides Bluetooth connection to external cameras. This will allow better experience to allow easy access for the users so they don't have to hold the mobile.